we implement various applications and solutions for the team, the manufacturing team at plants, to process their plants in much better way. And that is really challenging, and that excites me a lot.
I really feel proud to say that my team works to help people for the health domain, and we help people in placing the order and then get the medicine delivered at their home.
So, Hawkeye is a smart normalization system which proactively standardizes the attributes that are given by the suppliers or the retailers at the time of item setup.
Building a peer-to-peer recognition tool for Global Tech Associates. And this tool today is enhancing the culture and recognition among Global Tech Associates at Walmart.
Pickup scheduling is scheduling a pickup, and then FedEx or USPS will take care of everything. You don't have to go anywhere. So it is very good with respect to customer NPS, and building this entire feature was like really good.
So one of the products that we recently launched on ads targeting is brand affinity, where we try and identify brand affinity of a shopper and then target him or her ads based on whatever affinity that shopper has.
We revamped our customer experience fraud detection algorithm, and the innovation was to move it away from the traditional CPU processing to GPU processing.
So me and my team as part of Walmart Marketplace Engineering Group has built highly scalable multi-tenant platform for managing trust and safety and handling fraud for Walmart Marketplace product.
And currently I'm working on Joyrun, which was the startup that I was a part of, and it got acquired by Walmart. So seeing Joyrun getting integrated with Walmart and seeing how it is transforming by making use of the Walmart ecosystem that is already available. Obviously we are talking about a big scale now, given that we are a part of Walmart. So that the journey for the last 6 months that way has been very exciting.
What we are doing is coming up with an AI-driven solution to predict items that would be featured either on the banner or the landing destination that is associated with the banner. If I want citrus summer items, I want bright and yellow stuff. If it's or the fall campaign, you want that kind of blush tones to come up. So essentially, yes, you are in the end building a recommender engine, but you are also in a way teaching your machine to see what is beautiful.
Helping team deploy their applications on the cloud and ensure that all our customers who are visiting our SIEM's websites are able to get their traffic served in the most intuitive way, and we ensure that during our sale events we take care of all the scalability part, all the high availability part of our applications. We do help teams with different cloud architecture design practices as well.
I enjoy designing and developing Batman. It's an NLP-based bot that participates in chats and conversations with associates to discuss system statuses, system health, and several trends around live data from store order fulfillment operations.